Starting, what's the definition of a smile? A smile is formed primarily by flexing the muscles at the sides of the mouth. Basically, we can describe three basic types of smile. I might lost the connection. Are you still hearing me? Okay, so we can describe three basic types of smile. The first is the commissural smile, seen in approximately 67% of the population. It's thought of also, we call it Cupid's bow. The corners of the mouth are first pulled up and outward, and it's followed by the levators muscles of the upper lip, which will contract it to show the upper teeth. If we go for examples, we can see that Jennifer Aniston, Frank Sinatra, Seinfeld, they have this type of the smile. Now we can describe another type of smile, which is the Cuspid Smile, which is found in 31% of the population. The shape of the lips are commonly visualized as a diamond. They contract first, exposing the cuspid teeth, then the corner of the mouth contract to pull the lips upward and outward. And the corners of the mouth here, we can see them inferior to the height of the lip above the maxillary cuspids. If you want to see some examples in the celebrities, we can see Tom Cruise.